Today I'm going to compare and review Insight Matte Lipstick with Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick. They both are my favorite and they both work almost in a similar way. So keep watching.
Welcome to our channel Life Addictions. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon.
First, let's talk about its packaging. The Insight one comes in this cardboard box, inside which we can find this lipstick. The Insight one has its ingredient list mentioned on the outer box. Maybelline one doesn't come with any outer packaging. It comes with a wrap, a plastic wrap on it on which the ingredients are written. But according to me, this lipstick is more sturdy than the Insight one, which is a bit flimsy according to me. But its cap tightens really well, so it is not a very bad packaging. But I would say this one is obviously better. So this thumbs up goes to Maybelline one. If we compare the price, the Maybelline one comes for Rs 299 for 3.9 gram of product, and the Insight one comes for Rs 80 only for 4.2 gram of product. Its online price is 80 rupees, but offline I think you can get it for much cheaper. If we compare the price, the Insight one gets a thumbs up here. The texture of these two lipsticks are almost similar. The Insight one is a tad bit more moisturizing than the Maybelline one. So I would say both are almost equal if it comes to the moisturizing part. They both are not completely matte. These are semi-matte lipstick and are very moisturizing on the lips. If we compare its opacity, they both are very opaque when it comes to bright color like this one. But for the darker colors, the Maybelline one is more opaque than the Insight one. As you can see, the Insight one a little bit less opaque than the Maybelline dark shade one. So Maybelline gets a thumbs up here for the darker colors, but they both are very similar when it comes to the bright colors. almost the same. They come off if you eat anything. They stay on your lips easily for 4-5 hours, after which it fades very evenly and it leaves a very light color on the lips. I can easily remove Maybelline lipstick as well as Insight lipstick really easily with just a baby wipe or even with micellar water. Please comment below whether you liked my review or not. Please like, share and subscribe. May you stay happy, safe and healthy always. Bye bye. Love both of these lipsticks. They are very moisturizing, very opaque, and their staying power is also good, and it is very easy to remove. The Insight one